ബയോടെക്നോളജി എന്ന ചാപ്റ്ററിന്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ പാർട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോയിൽ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ഒരു വീഡിയോ കാണാത്തവർക്കായി അതിന്റെ ലിങ്ക് താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബാക്കി ഭാഗങ്ങൾ നോക്കാം. The gene ROP present in PBR322 cloning vector codes for answer the proteins involved in the replication of plasmid. The proteins involved in the replication of plasmid. Adutha question. How many fragments will be generated if you digest a linear DNA molecule with a restriction enzyme having 4 recognition sites on the DNA? Question ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി പറയാം. How many fragments will be generated if you digest a linear DNA molecule with a restriction enzyme having 4 recognition sites on the DNA? Answer 5. Answer 5. The next question. How many fragments will be generated on the digestion of a closed circular DNA molecule with a restriction enzyme having 6 recognition sites on the DNA? Answer is 6. Adutha question. Which bacteria is called natural genetic engineer of plants? Which bacteria is called as natural genetic engineer of plants? Answer Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. The source of the restriction enzyme hint 3 is answer Haemophilus influenzae RD. Haemophilus influenzae RD. The next question. Name the microbes which transform normal plant and animal cells to cancerous cells respectively. Question ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി പറയാം. Name the microbes which transform normal plant and animal cells to cancerous cells respectively. Answer Agrobacterium tumefaciens and retroviruses. അടുത്ത question. The term recombinant DNA refers to. The term recombinant DNA refers to answer DNA with a piece of foreign DNA. In biolistic method of gene transfer, the microparticles coated with foreign DNA are bombarded into target cells at high velocity. These microparticles are made up of answer gold and tungsten. Microparticles are made up of gold and tungsten. Then next question. After completion of the biosynthetic stage in the bioreactors, the product undergoes separation and purification processes collectively termed as answer downstream processing. Correct answer is downstream processing. In isolation of genetic material, chemical used to precipitate out the purified DNA is answer chilled ethanol. Answer chilled ethanol. The next question. Precipitates of purified DNA after the addition of chilled ethanol are seen as a collection of fine threads in suspension. This process is called answer DNA spooling. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി പറയാം. Precipitates of purified DNA after the addition of chilled ethanol are seen as a collection of fine threads in suspension. This process is called as DNA spooling. Microinjection is a method used to answer inject recombinant DNA into the nucleus of an animal cell. അതായത് മൈക്രോ ഇഞ്ചക്ഷൻ മെത്തേഡ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് എന്തിനാണ് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ചോദ്യം. ആനിമൽ സെൽസിൻ്റെ ന്യൂക്ലിയസിനകത്തേക്ക് റീകോമ്പിനൻറ്റ് DNA ഇഞ്ചക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് മൈക്രോ ഇഞ്ചക്ഷൻ മെത്തേഡ് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. Then next question. In a polymerase chain reaction, after the denaturation step, why the mixture needs to cool down to a lower temperature? Answer: to permit specific annealing of the primers. The term chimeric DNA refers to. Answer: a recombinant DNA. Eukaryotic genes do not function properly when cloned into a bacterial cell because answer is because of inability to exercise introns and destruction by bacterial restriction enzymes. PBR 322 was the first artificial cloning vector to be constructed. What does BR stands for? Answer: Bolivar and Rodriguez. The next question. What will be the effect of PBR 322? A cloning vector does not carry or recite. Answer: replication will not take place. Answer: replication will not take place. A device in which large volume of living cells are cultured in order to get a specific product is called bioreactor. A device in which large volume of living cells are cultured in order to get a specific product is called bioreactor. The term chemical knife refers to. Answer: endonucleases. The term chemical knife refers to. Answer: endonucleases. The next question. The sticky ends of a fragmented DNA molecules are made of. Answer: unpaired bases. Process used for amplification or multiplication of DNA in DNA fingerprinting is. Answer: polymerase chain reaction or PCR. The next question. Having become an expert on gel electrophoresis, you are asked to examine a gel for a colleague. Where would you find the smallest segments of DNA? Answer: near the positive electrode farthest away from the wells. Answer: near the positive electrode farthest away from the wells. Viral genome incorporated into host DNA is called prophage. Answer is prophage. The next question. Bt toxin protein crystals present in Bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis do not kill the bacteria themselves because. Answer: toxins occur as inactive protoxins in bacteria. Golden rice developed through transgene approach is enriched with. Answer: high vitamin A content. Golden rice developed through transgene approach is enriched with. Answer: high vitamin A content. The next question. GEAC stands for. GEAC stands for Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. The next question. A monopoly granted to a person who has either invented a new and useful article, made improvement in an existing article, or invented a new process of making an article is called. Answer: patent. Golden rice is yellow in color due to the presence of. Answer: beta carotene. Answer is beta carotene. Another question. What causes the inactive form of Bt toxin, that is protoxin, to get converted into its active form in the body of an insect? Answer, alkaline pH of the gut. Alkaline pH of the gut. Adenosine deaminase deficiency can be permanently cured by, answer, gene therapy at early embryonic stage. A technique used to detect the DNA in a clone is autoradiography. Answer is autoradiography. The next question. A human protein which is being obtained from transgenic animals and is used to treat emphysema is, answer, alpha-1 antitrypsin. Answer is alpha-1 antitrypsin. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned without compensatory payment is termed as biopiracy. Answer, biopiracy. Bt toxins killed insects by, answer, creating pores in the midgut epithelial cells leading to cell swelling and lysis. The study of all the proteins coded by the genome is called as proteomics. The study of all the proteins coded by the genome is called as proteomics. ഈ ഒരു വീഡിയോ എല്ലാവർക്കും യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആയെന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി താഴെയുള്ള സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടൺ ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്ത് തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി ഒന്ന് എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് ദിസ് വീഡിയോ.